Hey y'all! Welcome back to the channel. It's Apocalyptic Beauty Day and Halloween is coming up fast. You may be rushing to find a costume, but look no further because today I'm going to show y'all a simple look that really pops. I'm starting off by trying to get these brows together.
If Brooke Shields married the Groucho Marx, that child would have your eyebrows.
They look like crap, so I'm going to try to do my best. They have to be really dark for this look, so I'm going to be using my Beauty Creations Gel Pot in After Dark. The goal here is to try to look like Groucho Marx, but make it fashion. I've honestly just been considering shaving the tails off and see how that looks. I mean, I work from home, so it's not like it would be a big deal. I've been watching TikTok shorts on YouTube, and so it's kind of inspiring me to do something different. There's some freaking hilarious people on there. There's this one girl named Skylar Marie, and she like eats these weird things, and she's freaking hilarious. I love her voice. I love just the way she reacts. And there's this artist on there called Bukkit Brown. They do cosplay, and it looks so good. I think at one point I saw them with shaved eyebrows, so that's kind of what gave me the idea. I actually did this look before for my Instagram, but for that one I used yellow. So for this one I'm actually going to be using red instead. Clean up my brush here because I've been lazy and haven't cleaned them.
Shame, 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 bad
Shame.
vampire.
I'm taking the red from the BH palette, just throw that on up in the crease. I've been thinking about making a TikTok myself. I had one before, but I don't know, it just seems like a lot to deal with everything else that I do. But I may go ahead and make one just for shits and giggles. Just a little bit of black. Put that in the outer V. Kind of deepen things up a little bit. By the way, sorry if my voice sounds a little croaky, it does that sometimes. Now I'm cutting the crease using a color-based primer from Beauty Creations, and this one is Rockstar. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. I decided to use this mirror because apparently I can't see what I'm doing today. This time I'm going to be using Liechtenstein, which is a red. I'd originally wanted to try to incorporate all of the colors that I got. Honestly, I didn't think the look would go together with everything if I did. I tried to look up pop art makeup examples just to kind of get an idea of what I wanted to go for, and the eye makeup was pretty basic with most of them. Now I'm just doing some basic eyeliner, but I plan on churching it up a little bit in a minute. Ooh, this stinks.
Smell like the circus and came to town.
Throw on some mascara and hope that my lashes don't stick together this time. Of course, I've managed to transfer up to my eyelid. Alright y'all know what time it is, and today we're going to be using the Lotus Eater lashes from Penelope's Tears. I'm actually going to go ahead and also finish the rest of my face, and then we'll get to the painting part after that. So I'm going to go ahead and get all that done, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, I got all that done. As y'all can see, I attempted graphic liner. I'm just going to try to do the same on the other side. Hopefully I don't mess up too much. Now it's time to whip out the paint palette. Start off by drawing a line down my nose on one side, drawing random lines, following my face, kind of outline my nose a little bit. She got a really nice compliment the last time I did this. They said they legit thought it was a filter, which is really cool. So the goal is to kind of do the same thing today. And for some reason the women always seem to cry whenever you see pop art, so we're kind of going to do something with that. All the tears here. Alright y'all, so here's the finished look. Honestly, I think it looks pretty cool with the red, but I really like the yellow too. Let me know what y'all think down below. And if y'all decide to try it yourself, tag me on Instagram or send it to me so I can check it out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.